Intermittent fasting or fasting has been seen as a tool to lose weight or lose fat, but there are many health benefits of fasting on a regular basis. Intermittent fasting has also been proven to fight with a lot of medical conditions, and those are the medical conditions I'm going to talk about in the video today. Welcome back to my channel Veshwit. This is Priyanka here, your nutrition, fitness and lifestyle coach. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe it and give this video a big thumbs up. Intermittent fasting अभी बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो रही है और सब लोगों को ये लगता है कि फास्टिंग इज द ईजीएस्ट वे टू लूज वेट, विच इज़ एक्चुअली ट्रू, बट उसके अलावा बहुत सारे हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स होते हैं अगर आप कंटिन्यूसली एक लॉन्ग पीरियड तक के लिए फास्टिंग करते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट इंक्लूडिंग फास्टिंग और इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग in your daily schedule. Whatever duration of fasting you can follow, given your schedule, given your personal and professional commitment, you should start building that practice of doing intermittent fasting. So now let's talk about which are the medical conditions or which are the lifestyle diseases that intermittent fasting can help you with. Pre-diabetes. Diabetes is actually becoming very common in India. A lot of people are actually in that pre-diabetic zone even at a very early stage. हम लोगों के पास में भी ऐसे बहुत सारे clients आते हैं जिनका HbA1c level is very close to the borderline, and the only way to help them not cross that borderline and get into the diabetes zone is just by changing the kind of food that they eat and also the eating patterns. Intermittent fasting really comes handy. अगर आप 12 to 14 hours का भी fast करते हैं and if you are in that pre-diabetic range, you will be able to see that change in 2 to 3 months time period in your HbA1c levels. Fasting really helps regulating your blood sugar level, and that is how it helps you stay within the range for HbA1c readings. Fatty liver. Believe me, a lot of people are actually struggling with fatty liver. Fatty liver actually होने की वजह से आपके जो liver functions हैं वो गड़बड़ हो जाते हैं, और liver functions अगर गड़बड़ हैं तो फिर आपका पूरा digestive system गड़बड़ हो जाता है, and that is one of the reasons for weight gain. A lot of people come to us for weight loss guidance, but the underlying problem is actually fatty liver. So अगर हम fatty liver को treat नहीं करेंगे, then it will be very difficult for you to lose weight or even stay healthy. Fasting helps improving that liver function by mobilizing the fat from your liver, and that is how you can over a period actually reduce the fatty liver condition for yourself and obviously start losing weight overall. Eating disorder or stress eating. एक्चुअली हमारा जो वेट गेन होता है ये इस वजह से भी नहीं होता है कि हम अनहेल्दी फूड खा रहे हैं, बट एक्चुअली ये इस वजह से होता है क्योंकि जो हम अनहेल्दी फूड खा रहे हैं उसकी जो ज़रूरत है वो हमारी बॉडी को है ही नहीं. हम अपना पेट भरने के लिए नहीं, सिर्फ कभी कभी स्ट्रेस को रिलीव करने के लिए खा रहे होते हैं, और ऐसे टाइम में हमें पता भी नहीं होता कि हाउ मेनी कैलोरीज वी आर रियली कंज्यूमिंग. वी एक्चुअली लूज कंट्रोल ओवर आवर एपेटाइट एंड द काइंड ऑफ फूड दैट वी आर ईटिंग. आवर बॉडी हैज़ टू हंगर हार्मोन्स विच इज़ कॉल्ड ग्रेलिन एंड लेप्टिन. ये दोनों ही हार्मोन्स अगर डिसबैलेंस हो जाते हैं तो हमारा जो ये स्ट्रेस ईटिंग है या ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर है, इस टाइप की चीज़ें हमारी बॉडी में आ जाती हैं. नाउ फास्टिंग एक्चुअली हेल्प्स कंट्रोल द बैलेंस बिटवीन दीज टू हार्मोन्स. तो हमें एक्चुअली कब भूख लगी है और कब हम स्ट्रेस ईटिंग कर रहे हैं, इसमें डिफ्रेंशिएट करने के लिए इन हार्मोन्स का बैलेंस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, एंड दैट इज़ वेयर फास्टिंग मे रियली हेल्प यू. हाई स्ट्रेस लेवल्स. In today's life, we are all busy with our work, and then there are a lot of professional commitment, personal commitment, what not. Now, because of all of this, even if you don't have any specific personal issue or any professional issue, but हमारी life इतनी busy हो चुकी है कि हम भाग दौड़ कर रहे हैं, and in general हमारी life में इतना stress accumulate हो जाता है कि ये stress जो है वो हमारे cortisol levels को increase करता है. Now, if your cortisol levels are high, then you start accumulating a lot of fat, especially around your belly region. A lot of people come to me and ask for guidance around how to lose belly fat, but the reason is not that कि आपकी diet खराब है, but the problem could be that you are not managing your stress levels properly. Fasting can really help you manage this stress better and decrease the cortisol levels in your body, and actually in turn help you lose belly fat. Gut issues or inflammation. फास्टिंग आपका गट बैक्टीरिया इंप्रूव करता है. गट बैक्टीरिया इंप्रूव करने का मतलब है कि आपके जो भी गट इश्यूज हैं वो ग्रेजुअली बेटर होने लगते हैं. फास्टिंग ऑल्सो इंड्यूसेस ऑटोफेजी. ऑटोफेजी का क्या मतलब होता है कि आपकी बॉडी जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली बॉडी को क्लेंस करती रहती है, बट उसको क्लेंस करने के लिए उसको एक टाइम पीरियड चाहिए होता है जबकि आपकी बॉडी फूड डाइजेशन में इन्वॉल्व नहीं है. एंड फास्टिंग इसी ऑटोफेजी प्रोसेस को इंड्यूस करता है जब आप फास्टेड स्टेट में होते हैं। तो उस टाइम पे क्या होता है कि जितने भी जो सेल रिपेयर हैं या जो ओल्ड सेल्स हैं जिनको बॉडी को एक्सक्रीट करना है, all those processes actually start going and start excreting all these bad cells or anything that is there in your body, right? And autophagy also helps regenerate new cells. तो अभी क्या है कि पुराने सेल्स जाने लगते हैं, न्यू सेल्स आने लगते हैं. नाउ योर इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम गेट्स बेटर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. सो योर गट इज गेटिंग बेटर एंड योर इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम is getting better while you are under fasting. Regulate sex hormones. Ladies, if you are feeling that you are actually losing your sex drive, or you know that your hormones are getting disbalanced, especially your estrogen level and progesterone level, then fasting can help balance these hormones. And once these hormones are under balance, then your sex drive automatically starts improving. So these are some of the medical conditions or lifestyle kind of diseases that you can improve by just inducing 12 hours, 14 hours or 16 hours of fasting. Trust me, fasting has miracle and can really bring a lot of change in your body given that you do it for a long enough period. And if you are looking to do intermittent fasting in the right way, I would encourage you to go and join my program, which is a 6-week program where we help you start intermittent fasting from 12 hours to gradually taking you to 14 hours and then to 16 hours. Fasting actually has a lot of benefits, but only when you stick to it for a long enough period. A lot of people start fasting but actually come out of it after a couple of weeks, and the reason is that they don't know to follow the right protocol for intermittent fasting. I have been following intermittent fasting for last 3 years and I have helped a lot of my clients to help develop fasting as their lifestyle. So join my program and I'm sure that you will understand like what are the basic things that you need to incorporate to be successful at following and incorporating intermittent fasting as your lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends who might be in need. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.